Tony from nFISHn. I will be the spillinator today. I'm back here at the place where my wife humiliated me so many days ago. Looking for a big one. Let's go. Fish on, baby. It's not that big. Big enough. Uh-oh, there's a line over here. Okay, I guess somebody else's line. There's a line over here, okay. You got a walleye? Sweet. No, I got somebody else's fishing line. Here you go. Otherwise my wife won't believe I came down here and fished. I'll just do a little selfie here. Hey, it's all bloody. There we go. Here we go. There we go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Nah, ain't that big. Thank you. I just don't know what, I'm pretty sure he's a channel. It's a flat. Yeah. All right. Good eater. Hey, guy. All right, here we go. Something better than nothing. Alrighty, there you go. One little flat. I think I'm gonna let him go. He's just a little too small to eat. Couple nice little sandwiches, but you can get a little bit bigger than that, huh? If it was a channel, I'd say, yeah, we're eating them. That's hard to let go, man. That's good eating. Nope. Okay, we're done for now. I didn't spillinator the spillway. I ended up catching, well, not really catching that walleye, but ended up catching a small channel and a small flathead, which is better than nothing, but we need to do better. We need to catch some big ones. So we'll be back. We'll be back. So this is Tony signing off for now. Got to get home, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.